Hi guys, my name is Rohan and today I'm going to be showing you the control of my dad's car and how it works. So come close. I'm going to hold the side of this and then I'm going to click the P button. Okay, so I click engine start. Sorry guys. Engine start. Interference, sorry. You click park again. Engine start. Okay, now it's going to activate it. So here's where the real fun happens. Sorry guys, try that again. Park. Activating, engine start. Right, here it is. It's on. The car, no one's in there. Now we're gonna move it forward. Okay, watch the surroundings. Well, now it's driving by itself, guys. Holy. Right, my dad's gonna tell me to stop. Stop. That, and then you click engine stop to switch the car off, and then all the lights in it automatically locks by itself. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Bye.